How to change your default search engine on Mac. I'll show you this step on two browsers if you're using Google Chrome or either Safari. So first, let's start with Google Chrome. Once you launch your Chrome, click on the three dots icon located at the top right hand side. Then simply go to the option called Settings. On the left hand side, you can find the option called Search Engine. Click on it, and here you can see my search engine is set to Google. You can change it by just clicking the change button and setting it to Bing or Yahoo. Then you can click the set as default option. Now let us go towards our Safari browser. Once we launch Safari, wow, pretty clean, right? Safari is really clean browser. Once we launch this Safari, on the top left, click on the Safari logo or the name that says Safari. Then from here, you have to go to the option called Settings, which will take you to settings page of your Safari browser. You will see this kind of window pop up here. Now from here, if you're under the General tab, you have to go towards the Search tab, and from the Search tab, you can see Search Engine. You can set this to Google, Yahoo, Bing, DuckDuckGo, or Ecosia. I don't know what that is, by the way. But if you want to change it, it's there, and you can also use this in your private browsing. That's all for this video. If you have got any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you in the next video.